So this is basically this drawing that describes perfectly the what I mean by mimetic host theory. Obviously, I don't mean that there's you know I mean that there is literally viruses in your head. The things that structures that transfer. I'm not saying they're literally this shape and this image. This is to convey that the virality of certain habits. So your brain is made up of habit structures. So HS. So um so it's a collection of habit structure. So brain B equals habits, a collection of habit structures. Usually, you can have one brain habit structure and call that a brain. I'm fine with that. So like brushing your teeth, walking, talking, certain habits. I don't know. It's probably more abstract than that. And the thing I said last time is that these habit structures are um, represented in features. It's just I don't know. I'm information dumping. Just send me the I don't know. Send me the equation or something. I'm too distracted right now, but so features are equal memes. So habit structure equals memes. So this thing. So feature equals memes equals habit structure. And brain equals collection of habit structures. Or collection of memes. Or collection of features. They're all the same. Okay. And one of the dangerous the most dangerous meme of them all is this one. This one. Um Discrimination by action, structure, brain habit structure that most people have. Or I mean most literally almost every person. Like very there's um I don't know. You have to be a even if you're a hyper pacifist, you kind of people usually discriminate by action. The only people who don't do this are like actively trying to prevent these type of situations. Like see this as kind of a weird thing. So yeah, but yeah. Um, Another thing I wanted to explain is um, the only thing you need to understand really, or the first thing you need to understand maybe. You also need to understand the thing before, but the first thing you need to understand is um, internal structures. So what do I mean by internal structures? So when you say something is funny something. So you're saying something equals funny, right? That something has the same internal structure as the abstract concept of funny, or in the same group as funny things go. Um, but yeah, it's abstract, but it exists inside inside our brains, right? So, um, you talked about features. Features are basically machine learning versions of memes. And in the other video, I explained to you that I don't know that these things actually exist in like it's pretty obvious that this type of structure exists inside of AI. They're called features. They're a thing. You can look them up. Maybe go from there. Maybe look up the word feature in terms of or ask ChatGPT 4 what feature means. Maybe I should do that with you. But yeah, if you understand habit structure, memes, and um, you understand why discrimination by action is extremely prominent and horrific meme that is kind of the root of all problems societally. So internal structures. So the most important thing, the internal structure. So when we're using our brains, we're just essentially finding um shit, can't go back. So essentially finding what the same internal structure is. That's how we solve problem. We just find the same internal structures. We just reduce the problem. That's all we're doing. So if you're really good at this, um, you kind of win. So the if you know exactly, all you really need to know is the abstract concept or the internal structure of win. Okay? If you know the internal structure of win, like the internal structure of what funny is, okay? You can actually win. This is a physical thing. I'm not saying there's a certain structure to winning. Um, so if you know that, you can win. And I'm saying I figured out a crucial aspect of it, which is when solution win strategies have no redundancies, no R, and problem states have redundancies. Always have redundancies. Um, so this is a crucial aspect of it. So if you want to destroy when go here from here, you just need to find um, the same internal structure. So yeah. So when we say 1 plus 1 equals 2, we're saying that this thing and this thing are not literally the same, but have the same internal structure. So they have the same IS. The IS is the same. Just look over the just unnecessary details, or the details that don't align. And if we look at the crucial parts, or the core structure of it, or the internal structure of it, it's the same. That's all. That's all you really need to know. So you just really need to find the win internal structure. Um, by just grouping things together with win and seeing if that is true or not by testing it. So you just need to find the same internal structure as win. Sisao. Sisao. And that's all you really need to do. You just need to do Sisao. Sisao. That's it.